Okay, so welcome back to Bhai is Wandering. Bhai is Wandering today in Mount Duneed. This place is called Mount Duneed Park, and this is where I'll be setting up tonight. We'll be camping. Thing is, weather is beautiful, but it's a bit windy, so I need to find a spot where I can cook and wind does not bother me. So let's not just waste any more time and start setting up. So as you'll probably hear in the audio, it is very windy here. It's always windy here. But I still love it. It's really nice. It's warm but not cold. When it's cold and windy, then it's really bad. Today at least it's warm and windy. It's getting a little bit cold, but still sun's out, so that's a good thing. I don't think it's worth talking when it's so windy. Alright, so wind has pushed me back inside again. If you have seen the last video, you'd know what I mean. It's very windy outside again. I'm not happy, but I've got no choice. For the time being, I'll have to just chill inside the car, but eventually I'll have to get out and cook, which is a bit concerning in this situation, but we'll see how it goes and we'll figure something out. So tell you something about this place, Mount Duneed Park. It's excellent spot where it's a hidden gem for people who do road trip around this area. It's close to Great Ocean Road, close to Torquay, close to all those tourist towns. And if you're traveling down there further south from Geelong, you'll come across Mount Duneed. Especially in this month of holidays, this is January, it's very hard to find bookings in campsites or hotels or caravan parks. They're all pretty much full, and to find a spot like this, it's like really lottery. Not many people know about this spot, but those who know, they make full use of it. Stay for free. I don't see many people putting tents and stuff in this place, but they sleep in the car. If you can see a van behind in my background, that comes here often too. I know that lady. Maybe we'll introduce you to her. Very interesting, very interesting lady. We'll probably talk to her after, if she's comfortable with the camera. But she travels with a cat, so that's a lifestyle. So I'm just going to chill in the car for now, and then once I start setting up, I wanted to set up before, but because of the wind, I couldn't set up any more than just putting a chair out and beer. So I've got plans to put the gas out. I've got a few bags with all the things which I'll need to use when cooking. I don't know how I'm going to do that. That'll be a bit challenging. So let's just see. For time being, time is, come on man, 6:40. It's 6:40 now. So I've still got time. But the weather's not going to get any better. It's just going to get worse. It's going to be cold, and it's going to be more windy, and it's going to be more challenging. But today we will do it. I'm determined. Dilemma. So I'm just thinking, it's nearly 7 o'clock. Should we have dinner and get it out of the way? Because if the weather gets worse, it takes very long to cook. I've only got a small gas and a small pan, and in such windy and cold condition, cooking takes way longer. So I'm thinking maybe let's get it out of the way, and then we can chill after. Not sure. It's 5 to 7. So what I'll do is, while I'm thinking, give me 5 minutes, you guys go and see what things I bought today, go through my shopping and come back, and by then we should have made a decision. Yeah, not very smart, huh? I need to get better at my shopping. It's a bit too much for one person. But yeah, that's for later. 7 o'clock is a good time for dinner. Let's do it. Nice. So dinner is all done. Back in the car, nice and warm here. Just gonna chill out. Time is 10 past 8. Took an hour. Lucky you started early. Otherwise, it would be late. Now, the plan is I'm gonna set up my bed first. It's a bit of a mess at the back. And I'll actually show you as well what I'm using for my bedding configuration. Or for my bedding, what am I using? Okay, so this is what we have. I've got the inflatable mattress, which I'll inflate now. On top of that, I put my quilt, which I bring it from home. That one, it makes it really comfy. Then I've got my sleeping bag, which is right there, the blue color one. And on top of that, I've also got this blanket, if I need to. And then this extra cushion, an extra pillow. No, there's no extra pillow. Extra cushion, just to make it more comfortable. So let's just inflate the mattress. What I've got here is, but before we inflate the mattress, what we need to do is create more room. So see that how that seat's pushed forward. That's how we need to do with this one as well. So we got more leg room. Otherwise, I am tall and I will not fit. So This seat needs to be pushed forward just like that one. And what I've got here is this pump, which I'll use to inflate the mattress. Off the cables. And that's where my rest of the stuff is. It just fits everything down there. That's my storage. Okay. That's a bottle of water if I need at night. And what I'll also show you is what I put on my sides. That's 2 side tables I've got. On one side I've got hand sanitizer, there's phone charging. That's where the phone goes and it stays on charge. That's where my glasses goes, and that's where the car keys are. And that's for protection as well, just in case. And then there's a torch light on this side. And that's my bedroom. So let's set it up and see how it looks. So that's the bedroom ready. All we have to do is get in and sleep. So this is Jackie. She makes wonderful paintings. And that's Bill. Come outside. That's a van, she travels. Hello, Jackie.
G'day.
Ah, yeah. That's a wonderful paintings.
Thank you.
She travels all around the world in this wonderful van. What a lifestyle. Very good. So she charges $30 for a print and $50 for the frame. That's Bill. Hello.
Yeah, that's my bill.
How long have you been doing this for, Jackie?
17 years.
17 years. What a
Yeah.
long time. Oh, wow.
I've got to see more of Australia now than what I could have when I was younger.
Oh, of course, of course. I mean,
A lot of fun.
why not? Why not?
I've got to give it a new paint job one day.
Yeah, it's alright.
I'll
It's
buy a
still
lot
unique.
of spray cans and let kids have a go.
Yeah,
Yeah.
unique, why not? So look at the details of the paintings, like look at the leaves. How long does it take you to make one painting, Jackie?
4 or 5 days.
4 or 5 days, yeah, you can tell.
You go cross-eyed doing the leaves after all.
And do you have a collection or something, a book which you can see?
Yeah, with
Yeah?
all the ones I've done. I've done here, but I haven't had it printed yet.
Yeah, okay. Oh,
Do
nice.
you want to see it?
Yeah, yeah. I'd love to see it.
Hang on, I'm gonna
That's a mini home.
post all of this. It's done up here.
Oh, nice. Oh, that.
So I gotta
This
get,
is actually here, isn't it? This is
yeah,
that.
this is here.
This is that.
That's that hall and
Oh.
the barbecue from sitting over that way a bit.
And that's the covered area, which is that.
Yeah,
Oh, how awesome.
that's my latest one.
Yeah. And how long did it take you to make that?
I've been stuck here for a little while because the car's playing up, but it would have taken three days.
3 days. Oh, wow. A lot of hard work goes in there. So charging $30 is not too much, I guess, considering
Well, I
how
only
much.
do 10 prints of any picture.
10 prints of any
You don't
picture.
want everyone having the same picture to be
Oh,
pretty
yeah, of
boring.
course, of course. So if you need prints, you can find Jackie here. Mount
Yeah,
Duneed
Mount
Park, yeah?
Duneed,
She
yeah.
lives here.
Pretty much. I'm
Pretty
there
much here all the time. Oh,
most
nice.
of the time.
No worries. Thanks for your time, Jackie.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Matisse.
thank you. Alright. It's time now is 9:15, and as you can see, it's still not dark yet. You can still see a bit of a light. How nice is that? So I thought I'll go to sleep, but then I felt like going for a walk. But yeah, that's the area. Look at the view. Walking in the middle of nowhere at 9 o'clock. It's not that cold actually, which is surprising. I'm just in a singlet and shorts. It's not very cold. It was really cold before. Now it's not that windy as well. You can probably tell by the audio. So In the background there is sunset, you can see. It's very nice. It's not too hot, not too cold. It's actually very nice to walk around. And that's at 9:15. Maybe around 9:30 now. Maybe around 9:30. 9:15 was before. So yeah, fun of camping. And how about the wonderful lady we met before? Huh? That's another experience you get in camping. You meet wonderful people, interesting people, you know, all strangers, yet all connected, same sort of interests, you know, no match, but still one of the best things in camping. You meet a lot of interesting people, especially here in Australia. You know, they're all wandering. They're all wandering for something. They're all wandering around Australia. They're all wandering. It's a beautiful country. There's a lot of beautiful places to go, so why not? I'm gonna go in the car now because there's not much left to wander around. And I am in my bedroom. I'll turn a bit of light on just quickly, just so you can see. There you go. That's my bed, and that's how it looks like. Okay. Morning, guys. It's time now is 5:15. Let me get some light here. It was a bit cold this morning, and it's still dark outside. Can't see much with the light on. The phone charger died last night. Phone didn't get charged, so things not working right. I'm just gonna get up, freshen up a bit, and then head over to the gym. Probably see you there. So I've arrived at the gym now. Time's 6:05. Right, so I'm gonna go in and do a bit of a workout. I'll do a light all body workout. I don't do heavy workouts before going to work. So just a bit of stretching, bit of warm up, bit of, you know, light weights. Just mix up everything. There's no plan of what exercise and how much I'm going to do. I just go do whatever I feel like. That sort of works for me. So workout time. Yeah. Brekkie time. So this is my routine. Normally when I go camping after work, morning go to gym, then this 7-Eleven. It's all like within 2-3 minutes drive off my workplace, so it suits very well. And time now is 7:30. So I've got nearly 20 minutes, which is fine, to finish the breakfast and head on to work. I'm going to enjoy my coffee. You enjoy the video. So just to give you a bit of an idea about the cost of this one night camping break. We did shopping for $25 yesterday, the groceries. Then we bought beer for $10 roughly. And then $8 here this morning for coffee and chicken pie. That comes up to be $43. I think it's a bit too much for one night, one person, one meal, no, 1.5 meals, considering we're not paying for accommodation at night. So I might need to work on that. I might need to plan a bit better. See, I don't know what the budget is. I don't know what the right amount is, but I just think we can do better than that. How much better? I don't know. I'm gonna go get changed and head over to work now. Arrived at work now. You might have guessed with the background, there's a Woolies truck. So I'm gonna go to work now and start my day. You start yours too. Hope you liked the video. Let me know what changes, if there's any feedback, any changes, or anything else you'd like me to show or discuss around the camping breaks, because I do it pretty much every week. And if there's something particularly interests you, feel free to leave a comment or something, and I'll definitely consider that. But I hope you like this video. I will make a lot more based on a lot of different things I do on my days off or around the work timings as well. So I'll see you next time. Have a good one.